Neet 2022 result is out, and I am proud to tell you that the way we have maintained the tradition, this year also our result is very good. Our highest score is 656 marks out of 720, and that is being achieved by Sakshi Hangargekar. And there are two other students who have got above 600. So basically, in total, three students have got above 600 out of 720. There are many other students who have got above 500. So overall, if we see that, it's a very good result. And apart from Neet also, this year in JEE Mains, our student Siddhant Singh has scored 99.73 percentile, which is the highest from our side. Other than him, there are two more students who have got 99 percentile. One is Apar Kumar and other is Ayush Heran. So I congratulate all the students for their stupendous success, and I wish all the best to them. This is not just the beginning, it is basically this is just the beginning, and they need to perform well in their future course of studies also, and bring good name and fame to their parents, to Stellar also, and to Goa. Thank you so much.
My name is Sakshi Hangargekar and I am a student of Estellar Academy. After clearing Neet with flying colors, I am very happy and excited. Also, I am thankful to my parents, to my teachers, and all those who have directly and indirectly contributed and helped me to achieve this goal. I had a wonderful experience studying with Estellar Academy. The faculties here are very supportive. They are always ready. They are ever ready to solve our problems and doubts. The best thing about them is that they encouraged us to ask questions, no matter how small or easy the questions were. So we were never worried about being judged. The non-teaching staff was also very helpful. Pandemic, we had online classes for entire 2 years, but the online classes were as effective as the physical classes. Also, the test series provided by Stella were very effective. They helped us assess our preparation. We knew where we stand and how hard we need to work. And also, we became familiar with the Neet paper pattern, because our academy not only provides you with the academic support, but also provides you with moral support, which I feel is very, very important for while preparing for exams like JEE and Neet. There were times when I felt low, I was demotivated and felt like giving up. But the faculties here, especially Yogendra sir, he motivated me and helped gain confidence in myself. To all the JEE and Neet aspirants, I would like to say, work hard, believe in yourself, and be consistent.
Hello, I am Aman Maurya. I am a student of Stellar Academy. After clearing Neet with flying colors, I am delighted, first of all, and I am very happy that I made myself and my parents proud. And I'll make sure that I use this opportunity to become a good member of this society. Stellar Academy helped me a lot with myself and my studies. The teachers were always supportive. They were ready to give us time in order to solve the doubts, and they kept us motivating throughout the year. And yes, I would highly recommend Stellar Academy to my juniors and my siblings. In fact, my younger brother is already studying in Stellar this year. During the pandemic, when most of the students were feeling alone, and most of them had lost their path, honestly. But Stellar Academy maintained the contact between the students and the faculties. They frequently called us to check on us, and that helped us to see the path. And and the main thing was that they conducted the test in offline mode, which gave us the feeling of Neet exam. That greatly helped. Stellar Academy is better than other coachings because Stellar Academy maintained the communication between students and faculties. The faculties treated us like their own, which motivated us, and they made sure that we don't lose hope till the end. And the test series was amazing because all the topics of every lessons was included, and which helped us to excel in every topic.
Okay.
The path to become an engineer or a doctor is difficult. At certain points, it feels like to give up, that there is no hope. But don't lose it. There is always a hope. try hard, work hard, and believe in yourself. Talk to your friends and family and have a good friend circle, which will help you to clear Neet or JEE. I thank my parents who were always there by my side. They believed in me even after scoring less marks in the first attempt. They supported me to take a drop, and the faculties, they always told me that you have the potential, you can do it. And yeah, they also solved my doubts. They were with me throughout the year, and also my friends were supportive, so that helped.
Hello, my name is Vidhi Panandikar. I'm a student of Stellar Academy. After clearing Neet with flying colors, I'm very happy about it. It's a proud moment for my family, and all the hard work that I have done over the past 2-3 years has paid off. So it's a very happy moment. The teachers at Stellar Academy are very skilled, they are very helpful. They used to solve my doubts at any time of the day. Even if I used to ask them doubts at night, they answered those doubts without any hesitation. Even the office staff, they were very helpful, and they used to provide us with the material and the test papers whenever we used to miss the test, or used to uh, want more questions to solve, or the pandemic was really difficult for everyone, but for students, as students, we couldn't afford getting distracted or losing our motivation. So during the pandemic as well, Stella Academy kept us motivated. The teachers, the other staff members, whoever were there, were very helpful. They kept us motivated all throughout. The online classes were as effective as the offline ones, and there was nothing which was missed out during the online classes. They were conducted in a very smooth manner. I feel Stellar Academy is better than the other coaching institutions because the staff members and the teachers over there are very helpful. They are very skilled. They help you with the difficulties, and the test papers which are set during the mock tests are as good as the Neet level ones, and there are tests which are conducted regularly, and they are very punctual with their questions. We used to get the question banks every week, which helped us a lot to solve at least 30 or 15 questions a day. Them that all these competitive exams are 60% of your mindset and 40% of your preparation. So you need to have a correct mindset if you want to answer these exams. You always have to be positive, believe in yourself, and believe that you are capable of achieving whatever your goal is. Only then can your preparation that you have done will come into play. And work hard and be consistent. Solve as many questions as you can every day, and do not miss the tests, obviously. I would also like to thank my parents, my sister, and the Stellar Academy for helping me throughout the journey, supporting me, uh, and like they supported me during the times when I felt demotivated as well. Because there are, like, you always can't be motivated. There are times you feel low and you stop believing in yourself. But at that time, the teachers and the parents were very supportive, and they taught me through it and helped me achieve whatever I have achieved today.
My name is Siddhant Singh and I have studied at the Stellar Academy, Goa. I'm extremely happy and delighted for scoring 99.73 percentile in JEE Mains 2022, and I would like to thank Stellar Academy teachers for this on the first place, and my parents as well for helping me throughout this journey. Academy is the best academy of Goa as per my opinion, and the environment here is quite competitive from the students, and it is quite cooperative from the staff and quite motivating from the teachers. So it is a perfect balance of everything, and it's the best place where you can be for your Neet and JEE preparation. And I would highly recommend it to my friends and all my peers. During pandemic was extremely wonderful, and everything was very smooth. from online classes to doubt solving to the tests to everything. They were extremely helpful throughout this journey, and we literally did not feel any difference between the pandemic and the normal classes. So it was just in a flow, and the pandemic just went like nothing. Solely, the only reason what I feel Stellar Academy is better than other coaching institutes is because of the tremendous faculty. They are spectacular teaching, doubt solving, especially Yogendra sir, Sahil sir, and like motivation from the staff. Many of places they are not bothered about you and your score in particular, but here they would regularly call us, phone us, even if we are absent, they would call our parents, and that was very good from them. That's why I think Stellar Academy is the best and will be the best. Message to my juniors would be that work hard, and you should work hard in a very productive way, because only a good output from your from a good input is valuable. Otherwise it should not be a waste. So rather than doing 80-90% of work, you should focus on doing 100% of work and getting into a good college. And I think you will be helped as much as you need from Stellar Academy. And at the end, I would just like to thank all the teachers, faculty, staff, and my parents as well. And at the end, God. And you should just believe in yourself that you can do it, because believe is the first thing. Because even if you study a lot but you don't have self belief, you really can't do anything in the exam. And that's it. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sahil Virnodkar, and I am a student of Stellar Academy. After clearing Neet with flying colors, I was overjoyed. The journey had finally come to an end, and I was very happy. The teachers at Stellars are very kind, means they are very engaging, unlike the other coaching centers where they just neglect you. Here they pay attention to each and every child and means bring out the best in them. And on the part of referring to other students, I will definitely refer many of my juniors to this academy. Pandemic was a disaster for everyone, especially for the students who were confined in their homes. There was not much engagement during online classes, but our teachers tried their best, level best to means feel like we were in their offline classes only, and they helped us very much. Every other coaching provides materials and tests and all, but the special thing about Stellars is the people, the teachers and staff. They are very engaging and keep you motivated all the time. I would like ask my doubts at midnight also, and some sirs would even answer my texts after. I would like to give the aspiring students is that you have to stay in there, no matter how tough it gets, because the end result is always fruitful, and you will be grateful for yourself that you gave your 100% when you will be in your dream medical college. I thank the Stellar staff, my parents, and everyone who motivated me throughout the journey. It was very tough for some days, but still I managed to come out through it and get a good result. And ultimately the aim was to get a seat, and which I am getting it now.
I'm Srishti, and I'm a student of Stellar Academy. After clearing Neet with flying colors, I feel extremely happy and relieved. I feel my hard work has paid off, and I want to thank everyone who has supported me in this journey. I'm glad that I've joined Stellar Academy. Their management is very good, and their teachers are constantly supporting and always motivating us to perform better. I would definitely recommend Stellar Academy to my juniors and my siblings. I'm glad that I joined Stellar Academy. Their management is very good, and the teachers are constantly supporting and motivating us to perform better and better. And I would definitely recommend it to our juniors and my siblings. During pandemic, they constantly arranged classes, and the teachers, they were always connected with us, answering our doubts whenever we wanted them. Stellar Academy is better than other coachings because the teachers and the staffs, they were constantly supporting us, and the teachers, they gave us strategies which really helped us clearing Neet. To my juniors, I just want to say that you should be consistent and keep working hard. There are going to be ups and downs in this journey, but you're going to pass with flying colors if you be consistent and believe in yourself. My family and all the staff and teachers of Stellar Academy for always being there for me when I needed them.
Everyone, I am Shyam Kakodkar from Stellar Academy. I feel extremely happy and very proud that I cleared it in first attempt only. My feedback about Stellar Academy and its teachers is excellent. The teachers are very supportive and they always motivate us. They are eager to solve doubts of students. Hardly any doubt is unsolved in my 2 years of preparation. I would definitely recommend Stellar Academy to my juniors. Pandemic, all the test series which I gave were in online mode, but Stellar provided offline test papers which are mostly similar to Neet, so it helped me a lot. Academy is better than other coachings because of its excellent faculty, its regular doubt sessions, and the test series. I want to give to my juniors is that hard work along with smart work is very important. You should have faith in yourself and also on your teachers. Finally, I would like to thank Almighty God, my teachers and my parents. Because of their support, it's possible.
Hi, I am Aarti Kamath. I've been studying in Stellar's Academy, who I've been Neet aspirant for like 1 year. I feel very happy and ecstatic to get a really good score in Neet 2022. Well, I would definitely like to recommend to all my siblings and who want to answer JEE and Neet. Stellar's Academy is amazing, and the teachers over here are very helpful and they clear all the doubts that you ask without hesitation. They are very good. During the pandemic time, there were online classes, and because of online classes, often there is lack of communication. But Stellar's Academy made sure that there is no lack of communication and our all doubts get cleared even though we were sitting at home. Before, I have been in one coaching institute, and if I compare Stellar's Academy and that coaching institute, well, Stellar's Academy, obviously, as I mentioned, the teachers has helped me a lot and in clearing my doubts and getting all my concepts done, which the other coaching institute couldn't. Yes, so to my juniors, I would say that to remain focused and dedicated throughout your preparation. And it's okay to sacrifice certain things so that you can get your goal later in life. After that, you can enjoy your life, do whatever you want. But for that time, okay, that time is very crucial to you. Okay, you have to be dedicated always.
Hello, I'm Lizanne Ambel Fernandez, a student of Stellar Academy. After clearing Neet, I feel a sort of content and I'm happy with myself because I've worked for the past 3 years in doing so. My family is happy and there's a kind of satisfaction which settles in. Yes, because Stellar Academy, besides teaching, they always motivate with us times when while preparing for competitive exams, we can feel low about ourselves. Sir Yogendra always said there are clouds, these are passing clouds of sadness. And when we feel low, the faculty always reached out to us and they helped us overcome all these clouds. Classes were held online, so it's always up to a student on how they train. Stellar Academy, they always called us. If we are not answering our classes, they were behind our back. They were like, do this, do that. So even if we felt lazy or procrastinated, they were always behind us to guide us and show us the right way. Besides teaching, Stellar Academy always emphasizes on being determined and on having self-control. So sometimes if you feel like laid down and you don't feel good about yourself, the faculty is always reaching out to you. So that's a plus point. There's 3 C's: consistency, control, and consequence. If you follow the first 2 C's, then you'll find the consequence and that is success. Don't give up. Sometimes we feel down about ourselves. Like for me, I took a drop and I was supposed to give up after my first attempt. But don't give up. Everything will go fine. Just trust in your instinct, trust in your gut, and you'll find where you're supposed to be. Yeah, I'd like to thank my parents because most parents always pressurize their kids, but my parents were always cool. They let me choose my way. They were always behind my back. They guided me in the right way. They didn't pressurize me into anything, and they were always there when I had my days. So for that I thank them and the Almighty, because I went to a lot being a dropper. So it's very important to stay focused and have good people around you and not let negative energy affect you.
Hi, my name is Leah Mabel D'Souza and I'm a student of Estellar Academy, Porvorim. After clearing Neet with flying colors, it feels amazing. I feel like all my hard work, all my dedication has finally, it's a dream come true for me now, and I got all the right guidance at Estellar Academy. My feedback of Estellar Academy is that everything over here is very well organized. All the teachers were really helpful, and some of them even cleared my doubts at midnight. That is something that I will never forget. And I would definitely recommend this Estellar Academy to any student who wants to clear Neet or JEE with flying colors. I think during the pandemic, the biggest help was that Estellar Academy provided courses in hybrid mode, which means both online and offline, That's why even when the pandemic was going on, when we had online lectures, the teachers were always willing to clear our doubts. There were no connectivity problems, and the teachers were very helpful during these trying times. As for me, the best thing about Estellar Academy are the teachers, the number of tests they have. We had tests every week, and sometimes even twice, thrice a week towards the end, which was very important for us. It gave us a very good idea about what questions are asked in Neet, and the teachers were always willing to solve our doubts relating to those questions that were asked in the tests, which was very helpful for me. The message that I would like to give my juniors who wish to become doctors and engineers is dream big, chase your goals, don't worry about the future, just work hard, and if you have the right guidance that Estellar Academy will give you, your dreams will definitely come true. I like to thank all my teachers, my parents for their endless support. It was not easy. There was a lot of pressure, during these trying times, and they were always there to help me out. They never let me down. They were always there, my constant support. My parents, my family, my teachers. Thank you so much. I would always be grateful to you.
I'm Meghla Naik and I'm a student of Estellar Academy. I feel really happy and relieved. Whatever efforts that I've put in throughout the gap year, it feels really nice that I'm done clearing the exam. Yes, it's a really nice coaching academy. They helped me a lot throughout my whole year, and the teachers are really great. They were available at any time I wanted them. I could contact them in the night, I could ask them doubts, and they would reply to me. They really helped me mentally when I was feeling demotivated, when I felt that I couldn't answer the exam. They really helped me by telling me that yeah, I can do it. So during the pandemic, during the whole month of pandemic, they had consistent classes and they had a lot of tests so that we could gauge our scores. We had a lot of mock tests so that we get used to the papers and with the new pattern. Estellar Academy is better than other coaching because they were with us from the first day till the day of the exam. They motivated us through the whole journey and they conducted a lot of tests and so that we are well prepared for the exam. It's really important to stay consistent throughout your whole journey, like study regularly and take proper breaks. It's also important to avoid distractions because they can really kill a lot of time. And also try to remain healthy because as in my case, I fell sick a lot of times during the whole year, and it was honestly very difficult to study during those times. So it's important to eat healthy and exercise regularly. I would like to thank my parents and my aunt especially, who was there with me the whole time. She helped me avoid getting distracted and made me feel happy and motivated about the whole exam.
Hello everyone, my name is Girish Nagar and I am a student of Estellar Academy. After clearing Neet flying class, I am really happy and really delighted and I am excited to start a new journey of my life. Estellar Academy is one of the best academies in all over Goa. Especially the teachers are really very cooperative, really very nice and always ready to clear your doubts. Even I like to recommend the non-teaching staff is also really very supportive. They are ready to help whenever you need them, and I would surely like to prefer my juniors, even my siblings, to join Estellar Academy. During the pandemic, when all the classes were online, even the teachers were not around us, but they made sure that they are in touch with us, helping us every time whenever we needed them, and they even conducted the mock tests so well in offline mode. The mock tests which were in offline mode felt us like we are giving the real Neet test, so it really helped a lot. For me in Estellar Academy, the teachers were really good. The teaching was really nice. The teachers used to always motivate us. The teachers were always in contact with us. They used to didn't bother much about the marks. They used to tell us to focus and keep studying hard. For me, especially the teachers were really good in Estellar. I would like to tell them to be focused, to be consistent, to keep doing hard work, and really focus on their strength. No need to do any extra work. just study what the teachers tell them to do and be focused always. Really like to thank my parents, teachers of Stellar and the non-teaching staff of Stellar for always supporting me during my hard times and always motivating me during my journey towards it.
Hi, I am Tanmay Raikar from Stellar Academy. After clearing Neet, I feel satisfied that I was able to make my parents and teachers proud. I feel happy that the 2 year hustle that we had to do was worth it. Yes, I would surely recommend Stellar Academy to my juniors because the student-teacher relation that I experienced in Stellar was excellent. Especially the doubt-clearing sessions and the motivational sessions that Akanksha ma'am and Sir Yogindra used to conduct was very beneficial to us. Pandemic, when most of the schools were closed, Stellar Academy conducted online classes as well as online tests. Especially the test series that they conducted continuously for 2 years was very beneficial to the students because we got really prepared for the exam. I would recommend Stellar Academy over other coaching institutions because the assistance that the office staff and the teachers provided was excellent. The teachers kept us motivated through our preparation and corrected our mistakes very well. The test series that they conducted was very helpful. I would like to tell my juniors that they should keep faith in themselves as well as their teachers and work hard towards their goal and be consistent during the preparation.
Hello, I'm Nitya Zuarkar, a student of Estellar Academy. After clearing Neet with flying colors, I feel amazing. Like, I feel great because I've made my parents and my teachers proud. It's a great feeling. The teachers here are really amazing. They were always there to clear our doubts. Even if we called them midnight, they were forever there. I would definitely like to recommend it to my juniors or my siblings. The best part was having like a hybrid mode. We had online as well as offline classes. During the online classes as well, they were always there, the teachers, whenever we needed them. They were always there to clear our doubts. Even online, we had online doubt sessions. And most importantly, we had many tests, mock tests, topic-wise tests, which we answered, which helped us a lot during this time, this tough time. It is better than other coaching, but most importantly because of its teachers who are forever there. Like whenever you go to them, even during their breaks, they sacrifice their time to help us a lot. They are extremely helpful. The message I would like to give would be dream big and achieve it. Sometimes you will feel like giving up, but don't. Try your level best and just do it. I would love to thank my parents for their support as well as my teachers who helped me throughout this tough time.
Hello everyone, I am Raman Prabhudesai, a student of Estellar Academy. I feel really happy, really joyful because I was actually a dropper, so the sacrifice I gave for 1 year has really paid off. Academy teachers were very helpful, very nice, very kind, and they always motivated us, especially Yogen sir. He used to always motivate us in the class, and they were always ready to seek doubts and everything, always helpful. I would recommend everyone because Estellar Academy is one of the very best institutions in all Goa, and it has been really getting good results all the years. They were really helpful, especially during the online classes. Whatever doubts and all we used to ask them on the WhatsApp, they used to reply at the latest. And also, they used to conduct tests offline so that we get a feel of the experience of the examination, the pressure, and all everything. It's better than other coaching institutes because they always try to help the students no matter what may it be a personal problem, study wise, academic wise, everything. They try to help us in everything, and whenever you go to the teachers or anyone, they will always try to help you. The message which I would like to give to my junior is that you have to always give your 100%, stay determined, stay focused, and always try to give your best, stay consistent with all the tests, and never be afraid or don't get demotivated. Always stay motivated till the NEET exam is not over. I would like to thank all the teachers, all the staff, everything of Stellar Academy, and also my parents for motivating me throughout the journey.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.